Hey, boys and girls. Hope you had a good weekend. Today is Monday, March 23rd, and we are going to do lesson 6 in our math workbook. Now, you have in lesson 6, there are 3 pages. The very next page in your workbook is your problem set. But I'm not going to have you start with the problem set just yet. So there's a problem set, and then there's a second page of problem set, and you can see what we're going to be talking about and studying today. We're going to be counting coins. And then the third page for lesson 6 is a decomposition tree, which for short we're going to call it a deco tree. And that is what we're going to be doing first. So the first part of this lesson, I'm going to show you what it needs to be like, okay? So I don't want you following along with me copying into your workbook because I'm going to give you a different problem to do on this tree, okay? All right. First thing we're going to do is I'm going to talk about 50 cents. So I'm going to put up here. Now again, don't write on yours yet. Just watch me write on mine because I'm going to give you a different amount to write on yours. And so I'm going to put 50 cents up here, just like that. Now, what we need to do is we need to think about ways we can break 50 cents into 2 parts. So, like I know for 50 cents, 2 quarters makes 50 cents. So I could write 1 quarter, 1 quarter. See, it's just like a number bond. And those would be the 2 parts to 50 cents. Now, I also could write that in cents, and a quarter is worth 25 cents. So I could write 25 cents and 25 cents. Now, both of those are like the equal parts, right? This is like I'm breaking it into 2 equal parts. But there's other ways I could do it. I could put 0 cents right here, and I could put all 50 cents here. Upstairs. Or I could do, maybe I could do 40 cents.
Where upstairs?
And 10 cents.
Where upstairs?
Go. Maybe I could do 30 cents and 20 cents. So there's just so many possibilities. I could do 35 cents and 15 cents. I could do, what if I thought about a number of coins again, kind of like where I did 1 quarter and 1 quarter? What if I did 4 dimes? And then how many more dimes would I need to be 50 cents? 4 dimes, 1 more dime. That's correct. So 4 dimes, 1 dime. What if I was talking pennies? What if I said 49 pennies? How many more pennies would I need to make 50 cents? 1 penny. So 49, I'm not writing very neatly. Pennies, P-E-N-N-I-E-S. But 1 penny is P-E-N-N-Y. Okay, what about if I said 5 nickels? Well, let's see, 5 nickels. Nickels are worth 5 cents. So 5 nickels, I'd have to count by 5s 5 times. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, that's 25 cents. And 25 cents, then I would need another 25 cents over here, and I could do it in nickels again. I could say another 5 nickels. Now, if you really want to get like fancy with all of this, what if you switched up your coins? Like what if I had 5 nickels and then like how many pennies would that be? I could do 25 pennies. So see, there's really so many options here for what you could do. Well, here's what I want you to do now with this page. I'm going to give you a couple of different amounts, and I want you to see, I challenge you to fill the whole thing in, really. And if you are able to fill the whole thing in, take a picture of it, submit it to me. I want to see it, okay? So let's try and do 60 cents. And that's for you guys. And then, I don't know. I guess since you have 2 columns, I did 50 cents. So I'm going to let you guys do 60 cents. And then I'm going to let you, for your other column, since you didn't copy down what I did, I'm going to let you pick the amount and do it over here. Just so long as whatever you pick for the top, you remember both parts have to equal that amount, okay? So that's sort of like your sprint. Instead of a sprint today, we're going to do this. All right. Then, this is what I'm going to need you to do. Once you finish this, so pause my video, do this, and then come back for the next part, okay? And when you come back for the next part, you're going to need coins probably. So here's what I had to do, because we did not have a whole lot of coins in our house. Sophia has a JoJo Siwa piggy bank. It's the little doggy. And I had to get all the coins out. She let me borrow them. I'm going to put them back. And then Riley has Hello Kitty. And Hello Kitty, I think, still has a few more in here. Oh, it's hard to open. Let me see if I can. Oh, I got it. Good. Okay, so Hello Kitty has a few more coins too. And then I had to really get creative. I went to my purse, got my coins out. Of course, BJ didn't have any coins. He doesn't really use coins that much when he pays for things. So now I have kind of a little stash of coins. So when you're ready, after you've done that first thing, the decomposition tree, and you've got your coins together, we'll start the second part. Okay. All right, welcome back. So you have your coins and you're ready. All right, so I'm going to, I wonder how I'm going to film this, because I don't think I can flip my camera around. Let me see. Let me grab my piece of white paper. Here we go. And then I think I'm going to have to just like pick up my laptop and show you some of these. All right. So, if this will work, which we don't know that it will. All right, so there I have 2 pennies. And one of them is actually a real penny, and one is a play coin from Sophia's cash register. This is the head side. This is the tail side. All right. Then I've got some nickels here. See if I even have a real one. I've got, here's the tail side of a cash, or the fake cash register one. I don't even think we had a real nickel in our house. And then there's the head side. I'm making sure that you can see that there. Oh, there we go. Okay. Then, next to those, we did have real quarters. I've got a couple real quarters. They're heads and tails. And some dimes. Got my heads. And I've got my tails. Okay. So, the problems we were going to do is we were going to practice counting these coins and naming the coins. And then we were going to talk about how we could count them if we write it out. So if I were to do nickels, let me find one more here. Good. I have one more. Okay. Then I would write, let me flip my camera. Five plus 5 plus 5 equals, good, I can see that, equals 15. Okay, my dimes, remember we count those by tens. Here's 1, 2, 3. Oh.